What's up, guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to check the email address linked to your Facebook account. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you're signed in. Next, tap the three lines icon in the top left corner. Then tap the settings icon. From there, select Account Center. Then tap Personal Details. Next, tap Contact Info. Here, you'll see all the email addresses and phone numbers linked to your Meta accounts. To check which email is connected to your Facebook account, simply tap on the email address. It will show whether it's linked to Facebook, Instagram, or both. You can also remove or update your email address from this page if needed. And that's it. That's how you can check the email address associated with your Facebook account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.